Nobody wants to hear that when they're half asleep. And the alternative of leaving the seat up is a bad idea because your better half will come in, leave the light off, and you find yourself doing a water rescue at 2 a.m. So we're going to install a soft close toilet seat. This is the new toilet seat we picked up from Home Depot. You can see the first step is to ensure that we have a round versus elongated toilet seat. Using our tape measure, and starting between the bolt holes, we come to the front of the bowl and we can see it's 18.5 inches. Coming back to the box, we can see 18.5 inches is elongated, and that is the one we have. So we do have the correct toilet seat. First thing we need to do is get this old toilet seat off, and we do that by removing these two plastic bolts here. I did check the nuts on the bottom, and they do have the flat tabs to keep them from turning underneath, so they should just fall off. We'll get both of these out and lift this old toilet seat. There we go. Once these two nuts are removed, we should be able to lift the toilet seat right up. Now we unbox the new toilet seat. Plastic bolts and nuts, one for each side. Now these bolts have a two-part head, these plastic bolts. You drop this through, you put the nut on the bottom. This tab here keeps it from spinning while you're tightening it up. And you just tighten it up until you snap this one off, and you know you have the appropriate torque on the bolt. All right, next we're gonna lay the toilet seat right here on top of the bowl. We're gonna open the tabs in the back here. Put these bolts through and through the holes here in the bowl. Do that on both sides. Okay, we're gonna put the nut on the bottom. We're gonna push this tab down here. This part goes up against the toilet seat, or the toilet bowl. And we'll get that started this way. Don't have to worry about the alignment of the toilet seat yet. Just get it started. We're gonna get the nut started on this side. We're gonna push this tab down. Got the nut here. This part's gonna be against the bowl. Reach under and grab the nut and just snug this up with a screwdriver. I'm not tightening it down yet. I'm just using this to get it started. I'm going to stop before it starts to kind of lock down. I snug the bolts up to where it'll hold the toilet seat in place, but I can still slide the seat back and position it where I need it. I've found that this toilet seat on this toilet lined up best being pulled all the way forward. So I'm going to tighten these bolts down until I snap the top head off. And I know it's tight enough, like that. Then you can close this tab. Get the second bolt tight. There it is. And close that tab. And with that, the installation is complete. Only thing left is to try the soft close seat. And look at that. No more crash in the middle of the night.